Ebusiona book Canada compare ko Japan na kan ho biom. Yes. Or say ono hu ni say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia does not exist. Or say according to Honorable Kennedy Akompre Agyapong no. Or say His Excellency the former Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Alhaji Mahamadou Bawumia, existed according to Honorable Kennedy Akompre Agyapong. Nensa mo oka. Or think of the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi omudi na tem. Dr. Bawumia enim. Nanso, what should I not say you own him? Now can't say on the pet Anna UTV present and Busan and say not to do wechi. I don't know to do Dr. Bawumia tem. I feel the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong say, me crano, no me no TV. Na share TV, me share radio, me social media. When I'm Honorable Kennedy Akompre Agyapong on Kanokre. Because I won't share social media now share TV. Where now who say in Kofobi do what I'm going Dr. Bawumia camp. You see, you were a liar. Oh yeah, or trophy. Honorable Kennedy Akompre Agyapong. I'm telling you on authority, so you're trophy. Now in the video, no say 31st of January say I'll never use some be cheat and not some be viawa. The best no omompe. Obi don't know be cheat you. Obi and viaw. That emotional blackmail now you know. I'm telling you on authority say it is not going to happen. Fact. See let me catch you on. Emotional blackmail now you know. Fact. No one is going to cheat. You know say when Lucy all the polls, everything shows that you are losing, and there's 100% about public. Now should I be baby? When a baby out? Why in the baby out? Why in the baby out? Because also we near you. It's enough fair and also when the baby out. Nobody has your time. Let me tell you, you have polling station agents at all the polling stations, so nobody is going to cheat you. Nobody is going to steal your vote. Who did this? Will lose something now? Yes, sir. Some make you can be because I make me well. Because Kennedy Agyapong can't make a Samson no. And Nuti Yentian Sam Kennedy Agyapong edituja. Any question now? And yet present on YouTube. Ebusano
can survive with anything. Many of more time. But I know Chilasa also Mkoya Bano.
So what kind of Munkoya Abemo? Mamimbi said, do you believe in structures no say na?
I believe in the structures. But last minute, easy for normal committee in Yaminim.
Underground.
Yes.
So mobile
party security sir. Omobabu Obia Obabejina because Ombekana that don't be gone. They come Papa Kofi.
Honorable Ken. I mission among aspirants in Yanano. So who kasa Nasibia, I mean the 10% course on near there. Who reflected on a BSc 2013 2023 maybe Anya would day doesn't mean say in a way no Emma what about some kind of bitterness be against Dr. Bawumia na
me no what that the crowd my life no he doesn't exist because he is existent that's how I see myself what you say me abro ye munye nyina wo hwechiri but I just don't want to say anything na obi odidi matembia onim one day assembly our president Akufo-Addo fie the boy papa bidin now obi any if you work the next day no man post you and say oh okay but me fa obi asem enhye me trim
okay
madam what is your trim ubewuntem
so doesn't mean say
asem enhye me trim me come we are my free
doesn't mean say after the primaries and on say Dr. Bawumia winia will you campaign for him?
The last time I campaign him you or to me for phone I can't thank you no who said it matter yeah they were insulting me maybe call round and my parliamentary candidate baby I'm a call obi odi no kura e napo I took him to my warehouse and your man by the chair now our young boys di matem semi man campaign.
Honorable Ken, onye ni say womo asebi omo bedi watem no eyo omo su sebi omo baka say
eni omo bedi na chi
eni say yan
say decision makers
recently ye share ye mame na toshi and ye mo spill out doesn't mean say we were behind her until e man kasa
na toshi you no na nam me no mafo
but say they was switch come
was switch no me onama na me nam ha me unim bibi aboa me me ntie social media me ntie news on say nem ba na me bisa we me nkai bi kura o I stay focused.
Now Toshia, Nemo spell out doesn't mean say we were behind her until the Casa.
Now Toshia, no man, me no nothing.
But say they was switching come.
Was switching no me or Nama. Me wouldn't be a boy. Me tear social media.
Okay.
Me tear news. On send them by me be sorry. Me can't be ground. I stay focused.
So what's it? Onabu in Japan can't say many we are how about Dr. Bawumia or see a baby ano as I'm food at them. Journalists say now Toshi so do what you see. That's all no diomachi and I mean interior do not TV or throw for you a liar. Honorable Canadian compare Japan, you are a liar. Oh, ye or throw for one cannot cray. We cannot cray. One cannot cray, one cannot cray. VAR, video assistant referee, actual. Because so won't hear radio, won't hear TV, won't social media, and him fan what to say. Go for BD, a year, Dr. Bawumia chia. Omudi what them. Tell me. You see, what doing swap? Did you catch that on in Japan? What doing swap? Now you are trying to play as if say we be real so that you be emotional and Ghanaian so they can afford it. We are mobile and mobile. So you want to blackmail us. You have to say emotional blackmail. O person will blackmail us emotionally. And into what started your antics, critics be. But I'm telling you, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Japan, I am telling you, say, Emfa, Kase Emfa. Yes, Emfa. It is not going to happen this time around. It is not going to happen this time around. Don't let anyone lie to you, say, Ebefa. Don't let anyone lie to you, say, Ebefa. Emfa. That's the honest truth. Unless one person be jail too. But person will too much. I'm telling you on authority, say, Emfa. You are losing the election this time around, and there is nothing you can do about it. You can go to heaven and hell. You would lose the election. See, you can go to heaven and hell. You will lose the election, and there is nothing, absolutely nothing you can do about it. So if I were you, by this time, come and start it, packing me tools. Because I'm telling you, say we are. In the election of party, no one can be, no followers no. I better say, back joining a franto. I'm telling you. Because I'm money camp. Yeah, my money ya den and can't ever party anymore. Ya bet chiramo, Bosomia, you dream bro. Yeah, my money camp. And if I were you by this time, I start here packing me tools. My copy baby because it is not going to happen. I'm very serious about this time around. Honorable Canadian Agyapong Japan, you are bragging. You are just making noise. There is nothing you can do. Untiminya foko. Untiminya foko. Kasa. Kasa. But what doing swap? Everything shows. Say what doing your thing is swap. What doing swap? They say I'm guamo. And there is nothing you can do this time around. This time around, you know, yeah, sure. We are watching you and we are making very sure say you are losing the election. It is something that we are making sure say you lose the election. We are making sure say we fight you till you lose the election. You are making sure say every plan that you've planned, say person we know, it is going to go against you. And that day you would understand the reason why. You say you are not part of us anymore. I'm telling you this. See, I'm telling you this for free. You should understand. Say, Emfa. I'm telling you this. You may not make a sure. Honorable Canadian Agyapong Japan. But the message in book. And then my Betty say you would lose the election. I will make sure you lose the election. I will make sure say we lose the election. No, I'm on why my boat is akoko. I in the fashion with him. Fashion with him. Say, I make us. I'm talking to our Dr. Bawumia. To our mark in Japan. Lucy. What did he matter? He doesn't say anything important. And that's the reason why I don't like him. Yes, that's the reason. Vote against Kennedy Japan. Vote against him. He is an evil person. He is a betrayal, and he doesn't deserve to be the leader of our party. God bless Ghana. God bless MPP. God bless Dr. Bawumia.